Namaste friends, good evening. While we are going through these difficult times and we are so worried about what next, how are we going to get back our life to normal, how are we going to lead a normal life, how are we going to get back in the groove for our career, and there are so many things that are going on around in our mind. There is one small story that reminds me of a very beautiful moral about having faith in your goodness, in your bhakti and your Lord, which can save you amidst a big war also. So this is a small story from the times of Mahabharata of Lord Krishna, Arjun and a small sparrow. So just before the war began, the battleground of Kurukshetra was getting ready. So there were huge trees that were being plucked with the help of elephants. The ground was being leveled and so many things were happening around. Just at a moment, a huge tree fell with a thud and came tumbling down a small nest which had a sparrow with her little just born kids along. And as a miracle, the small kids were not even hurt. And while there is so much of chaos going around in the battleground, the preparations and everything, the sparrow came flying to Lord Krishna. And she prayed to Lord Krishna, "See Lord, you know everything. But please, please, please protect me, protect my kids. I don't want them to die during this war. And my nest is gone. I have no place to go." And Lord Krishna says, "See, it's all karma, it's all destiny, and I am not somebody who can help you in this." So she says, "See, you are speaking as a human being because you are surrounded with people, but I know that you are God and I have complete faith in you, and I also know that my fate lies in your hand. My destiny is destined, but at the same time I know that you can protect me as you have just protected my kids because they fell off a tree and they are not hurt. So Lord Krishna, now I leave it up to you. Please take care of it." He says, okay. He gives a smile. Arjuna is wondering that Lord Krishna is looking at a small sparrow and giving a smile all the while. And after this, the sparrow goes back and Lord Krishna tells sparrow only one thing. "See, just collect food for 3 weeks and go and sit into that small bell which is tied in the neck of the elephant who just plucked your tree." Sparrow says, okay. She flies happily. She collects 3 weeks food and goes and sits in the big bell that is tied to the elephant's neck. Now this is the same elephant who had just plucked the tree from where the sparrow fell. And after this, Krishna just tells Arjun, "Can you please give me your bow and arrow?" Arjuna is like, "Why? You have just vowed that you are not going to lift weapons, you are not going to fight the war. And if there is anything, please let me know, I can do it." Krishna says, "Please give me the bow and arrow." And smilingly, Krishna just pulls the arrow and hits the target. His target is the bell that is tied around the neck of the elephant. The bell falls down on the ground and then Arjun is surprised. "Oh, did you miss your aim?" Krishna just smiles. "I didn't miss my aim. It is supposed to be what I wanted to do." Okay, so now let's go ahead with what you are supposed to do. So Arjun goes from there and the war starts. The entire Mahabharata war is over, and after the war, the entire battlefield of Kurukshetra is filled with bodies. So much of different raths, the chariots and all the remains of weapons, etc., etc. And amidst this, Krishna tells Arjun, "Can you do me a small favor?" Arjun says, "Ajna Prabhu, please tell me." So Krishna says, "Please lift that bell that you can see there." Arjun is surprised. Of all the things, of the chariots, the weapons, the people, the dead people lying, why are you telling me to lift it? Krishna says, "Please do it, you will get your answers." Arjuna goes running and just lifts the bell and he's surprised. The sparrow with its little kids just fly happily, escaping the bell. Now this is the same bell that Krishna had untied with his arrow from the neck of the elephant, and it was protecting the sparrow and its kids the whole time. And what the sparrow had done? It stayed in its home, that is the bell that was told by her god. She collected her food for 3 weeks and stayed in the bell, and that's how she was protected from this entire Mahabharata war without even a small bruise. Guys, if we also take this Corona COVID pandemic as a war, trust your God, trust your good destiny, trust your good deeds. Let us just stay home, follow all the rules, take precautions, and have utmost faith in your Lord. And then see, once everything is over, you are going to fly back into the sky and get back into the groove and achieve your dreams. And as we discussed in our previous videos also, our state of mind definitely is going to affect how we come out of this whole situation. Because if you trust your Lord, if you have faith in your goodness, if you have faith in your good deeds, if you have faith in your destiny, then definitely your confidence is going to be high, and so your immunity also will be very strong. And these two things are very, very important for us to win over this war against COVID. So stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself, stay confident, stay positive, and let us meet soon again with one more video. Thank you. Take care till then.